Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The Best Mop Slippers is probably one of the most innovative cleaning tools I've ever tried. These amazing slippers allow you to effortlessly clean your floors while performing other tasks, saving you time and energy. Forget about traditional mopping. With these, cleaning becomes a seamless part of your routine, and you'll be amazed at how much easier it is to maintain sparkling floors. Number 5. Mop Slippers Floor Cleaning Shoes. Simply slip these on over your shoes and start cleaning. No more bending or kneeling. It's perfect for busy individuals or those with mobility concerns. Say goodbye to annoying shoe marks on your freshly mopped floors. Wear these and keep your floors spotless. Keep a pair by the door for guests to use, protecting your floors and reducing noise from shoes. The soft material keeps things quiet. These are perfect for everyone, men, women, and kids. The bright colors make cleaning a fun family activity. These are super convenient. They're machine washable and reusable, saving you money and time. Enjoy almost new slippers after every wash. What we like. These mop slippers are designed for convenience, allowing you to clean without bending. They're also machine washable for easy care, saving you time and effort. If you're looking for a hassle-free cleaning solution that's also budget-friendly, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. The colors are bright and fun. We only use them on dry floors and they definitely work to pick up dust, etc. They fit over my US size 6.5 sneakers, making it easy for me to mop our tile floor. With shoulder arthritis, this is a perfect solution for me. I can clean tight areas without having to bend over and reach. They washed well on medium dirt level and dried perfectly on medium heat. I have large feet and these fit great. Purchased from my cleaning company and they work exactly as advertised. Saves my floors from marks when mopping and can also use on my other cleaning products for dusting and washing walls. Number 4. Selric Super Chenille Mop Slippers. These innovative slippers are designed for effortless cleaning. They're washable and incredibly convenient for quick cleanups around the house. Simply slip them on and glide across your floors. They effortlessly pick up dust, dirt, and hair. Cleaning these slippers is a breeze. Just toss them in the wash and they'll be ready for another cleaning session. The mopping pads are easily detachable, making them simple to clean and replace. It's the ultimate convenience for busy lifestyles. Find the perfect fit and style for you. They come in a variety of sizes and colors to match your home decor. With these slippers, cleaning is no longer a chore. Enjoy sparkling clean floors with minimal effort. What we like. With its detachable design and multiple size and color options, this product offers versatility and personalization. It caters to various needs and preferences, making it a great option for families. If you need a customizable and adaptable cleaning solution, this is the one for you. What people say. The bottom detaches so you can wash them without having to wash the whole thing. Now, I've tried other mop slippers in the past, and what I appreciate most about these is that there is a slipper pad which is separate from the microfiber pad that you simply stick them together via the Velcro strip. The barrier ensures that your feet will not get wet. Additionally, the absorbent microfiber material on the pad does not leave an impression on wet floors, so no unsightly footprints. I put the bottom part in the wash with my towels and they come out looking good as new. My floors look great and my feet look super cute. Number 3. Cosywell Mop Slippers. These innovative slippers make cleaning a breeze. Simply slip them on and start mopping. They're designed to fit most feet, and the elastic band keeps them securely in place. No more slipping or falling. Made from absorbent chenille fiber, they effectively clean various surfaces. Get sparkling floors with minimal effort. Available in 5 bright colors, they're perfect for the whole family. Each member can have their own designated pair. Use them to clean floors, windows, bathrooms, or even your car. They're incredibly versatile. We stand behind our product with excellent after-sales service. Your satisfaction is our top priority. What we like. This set offers great value with 5 pairs of brightly colored mop slippers. The easy-to-clean design makes maintenance a breeze. If you prioritize value and ease of use, this is a great option for your family. What people say. They work very well, easy to wash, and saves on disposable cloths. These are durable, stretchy, fit perfectly to my size 9 foot. Super easy to use and then pop into the washer and they really wash well. Very durable. They pick up all kinds dirt and dust, and I am so thankful. They washed fine. I do not put them in the dryer. They dry fairly quickly on the rack. These are sturdier than they look. Number 2. Handrong Mop Slippers. Tired of constantly cleaning your floors? These innovative slippers make cleaning a breeze. Simply walk around and watch them effortlessly pick up dirt and hair. Made with soft microfiber, they're incredibly comfortable to wear. The unique design ensures effective cleaning without any noise or slipping. These mop slippers are safe for all smooth floor types. Use them in the kitchen, living room, or anywhere that needs a quick clean. Cleaning these slippers is a snap. Simply hand wash or toss them in the machine for effortless maintenance. They're a must-have for every home. Looking for a thoughtful and practical gift? These mop slippers are a unique and appreciated present for friends, family, or loved ones. They'll love the convenience and fun. They come in 4 colors, pink, blue, purple, and beige, with a butterfly pattern. The elastic cord design ensures a secure and comfortable fit. What we like? This set includes 4 pairs of soft and comfortable mop slippers. Their reusability makes them an economical and environmentally friendly choice. If you value comfort and sustainability, this is a perfect choice for you. What people say? They are extremely comfortable, as I have petite size 6.5 feet. They fit and stay on my feet well, to my surprise. They are highly durable, and talk about functional. Oh man, these bad boys clean everything on your floor that your feet can slide, walk, or glide your foot across, like baseboards. When I wash dishes, I occasionally spill, and boom, I shuffle my feet and it soaks large amounts of water right up and without leaving your feet soaked. Number 1. Mop Slippers Shoes. These innovative slippers make cleaning a breeze. Simply slip them on and walk around to effortlessly clean your floors. Made from chenille microfiber, they're incredibly soft and gentle on your feet. Plus, they're highly absorbent and effective at removing dirt and dust. Choose from 5 vibrant colors: purple, green, pink, blue, and orange. Each color comes with 1 pair. With an elastic cord design, they comfortably fit most adults and children. Wear them with or without shoes. They're incredibly easy to use, just slip them on and clean. And they're machine washable for convenient cleaning. Use them to clean floors, cars, desks, or even windows when attached to a mop head. They're incredibly versatile. What we like? These mop slippers come in a cute coral insect shape and offer multiple uses beyond floor cleaning. The 5 pairs provide ample options for the whole family. If you want a versatile and fun cleaning tool, this is the one for you. What people say? They actually work really well on your hands, and the best part is they're washable. These have been my magic bullet. They even pick up little bits of dirt or debris that I missed with the vacuum or sweeping. These slip over my bare feet or shoes and stay on while I work, and they wash beautifully. With these mop socks, I mop in front of myself so that I'm following and continually drying while I'm mopping. No more paw prints on my wet tile, since my mop swishing back and forth doesn't hold a candle to the fascination our pets have of these brightly colored socks. So not only are we accomplishing this chore much quicker than before, it's become a new game for our cats and dogs, and I consider that 2 birds killed with 1 stone. I can get my work done and play with them too. As far as their performance goes, I find them very absorbent, and they did a great job of picking up pet hairs. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.